Welcome everybody. How you guys doing today? So today is a good day. So the weekends and everybody want to go party. So today I'm in this video. I'm going to show you how to make a new project actually. And I hope you guys like this video that I'm about to do for you guys. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share to your friend that who want to learn or who need to learn about the programming, the CNC programming, and somebody that just to learn the basic of it before they go to real class and willing to pay the huge amount of money in college and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's go to our Mastercam 9 and try to build a new project. Okay. Now from here, let's go to main menu and go ahead and click F9 here. And go ahead and select create and select a rectangle. We're going to use 1 point. And this one, we're going to use 20 by 20. And then we're going to select OK here. Make sure you select on origin and click escape, Alt F1, put the screen in the middle. Then go to back to main menu and go ahead and select create. We're going to use arc. This time we're going to select on circle point diameter. And this time we're going to use a 10 inches diameter. We're going to go ahead and put it in the middle. Click escape. We're going to use one more here. We're going to put a 5 inches, see how it look. Okay. Put an origin again. Okay. Now, if you make mistake on this, don't worry about it. Just kind of, watch the video and redo it again. Just follow step by step. Okay. Now, on this, when every time you build a new project, you always make mistake, or sometimes you make mistake, or you don't like what you're doing. You kind of correct things, stuff like that. Don't worry about it. Go ahead and fix it step by step. We work together, we learn together. So, this is a beginning class. So, don't worry about it. Just keep continue learning, keep continue doing it. Okay, practice always perfect. Okay. Now let's go to main menu. Now let's create some line here. We're gonna go create. Then we're gonna select on rectangle, put line right here, and we're gonna use parallel. And then we're gonna use side distance. Okay. Now from here we're gonna select on this line right here. Go forward. Now from here we're gonna put 2.5, 2.5. Okay. Gonna click enter. And we're gonna use 2.5 all around this square. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna use from doing from the bottom to the top. Okay, that looks enough. Okay, now we're gonna use the a line again, but we use from the center here to this line right here. Okay, we're gonna use like eight line. Okay, we're gonna go to create and drafting, and we're gonna use the witness line. Okay, then we're gonna select from origin here. Okay, select from origin from the middle here, and then we're gonna go to this line. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna select this line right here. Okay, go back. We're gonna select an origin again. We're gonna go to this line right here. We're gonna do it like 8 line. Okay, all these four corner here. This line right that. From this line right here. Okay, go back. We're gonna make this line right here. This line right here. Okay, this line like that. We're gonna go origin again. We're gonna make select this line right here. We got two more, I think. Yeah, this line right here, and one more, and then this line right here. Okay, let's click escape. So we got all this line right here. It looks good. Okay, now we're gonna make a circle. We're gonna put a circle right here in this four corners. We got one right here. Okay, two. Okay, three and four. Okay, we're gonna put a 1/2 inch round. Okay, now let's go to back to main menu and go ahead and click create and gonna select on arc. Then we're gonna use circle point diameter right here, and we'll go ahead and put 0.5. Okay, now we're gonna put right here. Okay, go ahead and click enter. We're gonna put right here. Try to line up right here. We're just gonna put in the center right here. Okay, just like that. Okay, in the center right there. How it look. So we're gonna put this one right here also right here on this right here. Then we're gonna put 3 or 4 more right here. Okay, that's 2. We're gonna click right here, 3. I got one more right here, and 4. Okay, and click escape. So we're gonna raise some line. Okay, we're gonna raise some line. But before we raise some line, we're gonna make an arc. Okay, we're gonna make an arc, three-point arc. Okay, we're gonna use from here, this line right here, and to this endpoint. From endpoint to midpoint and endpoint. Okay, we're gonna make an arc. So we're gonna use 3-point. Okay, select 3-point, and then we're gonna use from this line right here, and to the middle line right here, and to the outside line, just like that. Okay, now select from this line right here to the middle and to the endpoint. Okay, just like that. And from here, we're gonna select this line right here into the middle and to the endpoint here. We got one more left. So this line right here to the midpoint and to the endpoint. Okay, like we got 4 already. That's all we need. So we're gonna erase this line so you guys can see, good. Okay. Okay, now let's start to erase our line, and then we can undelete the line. Okay, we can go from here. Okay, let's delete some line. Okay, horizontal line and vertical line. On this right here, when you click on the line, you try to delete it, it say warning, the entity has an associated drafting entity. So you want to select keep drafting entity, delete associate, okay? And at the bottom right here, say for the entire drawing, just go ahead and select on always notify if deleting entity with associated drafting entity. Select okay here, okay? We're gonna delete some line here. Just click okay, okay? Gonna do all that. Okay, we got some here. We're gonna delete some line here. Okay, see how it looks. So that's how it looks, guys, right there. Okay. So now you want to delete this line, you gotta delete some more line here. Okay, you got to see it good. Okay. So delete the draft line here. We don't need it anymore because we have the enough line that we make the our projects. Okay. And this logo right, we don't need it. Okay, that's what it looked like right there. So you see this arc right here go overboard to the line right here, but don't worry about that. We're gonna cut all the way through here. Okay, we're gonna cut all the way through that. The reason why we want this right here is arc right here to hang over this line, because that when we cut it out, when we cut the part out, this is already eliminated. Okay, you don't need to trim it out. Okay, just cut it out. Okay, instead of trimming. Okay, now let's go to a toolpad and let's try to do some pocket here. Okay, let's go to toolpad and you're gonna select on pocket and it's gonna select on change here. So we're gonna click on this right here. Okay, we're gonna do 4 of them. We're gonna start from here. That's 2 and that's 3 and one more here and 4. Okay, we're gonna do that first. We're gonna select done here. On this right here, our tool library, go ahead and right click and get a tool from our library. Now this time we're gonna use a 1/8, okay, 1/8 inch flat end mill. Okay, we're gonna scroll down to tool number 232, which is a 1/4 inch. 1/8 right here, 1/8 flat end mill. Go ahead and click OK. And right here, say tool number 1 and 1/8 and 1/8 diameter right here. Okay, we're gonna change the feed rate, the plunge rate, retractive rate, right? Go ahead and change, put to 5.0 here. The plunge rate, 5.0, and retractive rate, we're gonna put 5.0. Okay, on this side to the right side right here is a spindle speed. Go ahead and put 4,000. Then in the bottom of it, it's a coolant. Go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and this section right here, go ahead and you can put rough pocket. Okay, and pocket. Okay, now we're gonna go to the top right here. It's a pocket parameter. We're gonna select on this check mark right clear. And then right here, say use absolute. Make sure you check an absolute here and retract it 1/4 inches. And feed plane 0.1. And the top of stock, we're going to use 0.75, which is 3/4 inch material. And the depth on this right here, we're going to put -0.5. That's a pocket. On the right side right here, we're going to change something, tip calm. Go ahead and kind of put in center. And right here, a roll cutter around corner. We're just gonna use none, okay? And it's standard right here, pocket type. Just gonna click on open. Okay, and go to the top right here, say pocket finish parameter. We're gonna use true spiral. We're gonna click on that. And then we're gonna use from inside out. We're gonna cut from inside out, okay, on the port. So select on that. And the cutter comb right here, we're gonna use where. Okay, go ahead and select on where. And then we're gonna select right here, okay. That's how it looks right there. Now we're gonna come back to this left side, click on pocket again. And then we're gonna cut pocket right here from the inside out. There's one right here. We're gonna use this right here also. It's 4 circle. We're gonna cut that. Okay. 3 and 4. Go ahead and cut and click done. And right here, go ahead and right click. Get a tool from our library. Go ahead and scroll down to 235, which is a 1/4" tool flat end mill. Okay. Click OK. And right here in the bottom, say tool number 2, 1/4" flat and 1/4" diameter. Feed ray, plunge ray, retractor ray. Go ahead and change that to a 7.0. Retractor ray. And then on the right side, where it says spindle speed, go ahead and change it to 2000. And then on the section right here, you're gonna put second pocket, okay? Second rough pocket. Then on the top, you're gonna click on pocket parameter. We're gonna check mark all of that. And on the depth side right here, we're gonna put -0.5 also. Okay. So on the right side right here, we got everything set up already. Then we're gonna go over here to rough and finish parameter. We're gonna use that, the same one. Make sure it's right. Go ahead and click OK here. That's how it looks right here. Go ahead and go to the left side, click on contour. We're gonna cut this part out. Okay, go ahead and select right here. Cut the part out. And then we're gonna cut the sheet out also. Okay, we don't want to leave the sheet on our machine. We just cut it out and throw it away. Okay, just go ahead and click done here. And then there's a tool library again. Go ahead and right click. Get a tool from our library. Go and scroll down to 239 tool number, which is a 1/2" flat end mill. It's right here, 239, 1/2" flat end mill. Go ahead and click OK. And then it says right here, tool number 3, 1/2" flat, diameter 1/2". And feed ray, plunge ray, retractor ray, we're gonna go ahead and change that to 9.0. And right here, we're gonna change the spindle speed to 2000. And the coolant, of course, we're gonna turn it on. And section right here, we're gonna say finish path. Okay. So it looks okay. Now we're gonna go on the top right here, contour parameter. Make sure you're gonna, make sure you put a number on the depth. We're gonna cut all the way through, which is -0.75. We're gonna cut all the way through here. Okay, on the left side, the right side right here, we got select right here. So right here, we're gonna use where. And compensation, we're gonna select on the left side. And tip comb, we're gonna use center. Okay. And that's all it is. And then gonna click OK here. Let's go to operation here. Go ahead and select all and verify. And I'm gonna select start button right here. That's how it looks, guys, right there. We got 4 circle here, 4 small circle, which is 1/2". Okay. And we got a 20" right here. And we got a 10" pocket right here. Okay. Now let's go to our job setup, and we're gonna see a different view. Okay. Let's go to a job setup here. You're gonna select Y20 and 20. Okay. And the Z side, just go ahead and put 5 inches. And then we're gonna select display start right here. Go ahead and select OK. That's how it looks right here. Let's go to isometric view. And go ahead and put the screen a little bit here and unzoom a little bit. That's how it looks right there. And if you want to view in different way, go ahead and right click on here and select on dynamic spin. Then you can select, click on it, this part right, and you can rotate it. See how it looks right there. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay. Now let's go to our operation again and see how we our part look again. Okay. So click start button. See, that's how it looks right there, guys. So that's all I have for today, guys. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you have any comment, please leave a link below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And without anything else, and you guys have a great night. And please like and share and subscribe. And like I said again, if you know somebody that want to learn, please let them know. And without anything else, I would say good night. You guys have a great night and see you next time. Bye bye.